everyone, I'm Ellie with ImagineIF Libraries. I'm here with my friend Becca on the north shore of Flathead Lake. We're being buzzed by juvenile bald eagles who are flying all around us. And we're here with a special spring story time just for you. The first book we'll read is called The World Made a Rainbow by Michelle Robinson, illustrated by Emily Hamilton. All of the world had to stay home today. I wish that it didn't. I wanted to play. I missed everybody, my grandma, my friends. My mom said, "You'll see them once everything mends." Let's paint a big rainbow to put on display. When people pass by it and see it, they'll say, "All rainstorms must end, and this rainstorm will too." And they'll feel a bit happier, all thanks to you. So we dig out the paint pots. I love making art. We've got lots of red, so that's where I start. But red makes me think of the chairs in my class. Mom gives me a cuddle. This rainstorm will pass. I can't reach the orange, but Mom has to work, and Dad's with my brother, who's going berserk. Anybody have a little brother like that? I'll paint with the yellow. It's bright like the sun. I spread it around with the red. This is fun. I've made my own orange. How do you make orange? What colors do you mix together? But I can't make green. I'll need blue for that. But the blue paint's wiped clean. I start to feel lonely. I start to feel sad. Then, how about odd bits of cardboard, says Dad. He cuts and I stick, and my brother helps too. We have to mix flour and water for glue. It looks really good, like the ocean, says Mom, and all the adventures that will still go on. To the beaches, to cities, to the forest, the park. The light couldn't shine if it never knew dark. And rainbows can't color the world without rain. So we get back to work on my rainbow again. I've never been quite sure what indigo's like. Dad laughs. Indigo, like your very first bike. And they dig out a memory box I've never seen, packed with mementos from places we've been. I shout, "Indigo!" as I spot my mom's jeans. Well, I can't cut them out, so we use magazines. Then Dad takes a picture for Graham and I say, "Memories are good. We'll make more every day." My rainbow looks great. There's just Violet to go. Violet, the loveliest person I know. Violet's my best friend. I miss her so much. Mom fetches her laptop. Let's put you in touch. And would you believe, Violet feels just like me. And she's making a rainbow for people to see. We walk to see hers. There she is. And she walks to see mine. There I am. We wave to each other and really, it's fine. Not perfect, but neither's my rainbow. So what? I'm perfectly happy with all that I've got. Violet, my parents, my brother, my friends. Maybe a little kitty cat. And we still have each other when this rainstorm ends. Maybe you could make a rainbow for your front window. Well, we've got a song to sing with Becca. Drip, drip, drop, drop.
Drip, drip, drop, drop.
Drip, drip, drop.
Drip, drip, drop.
Rain on my umbrella.
Rain on my umbrella.
Never stops.
Never stops.
Let's sing that one again. Drip, drip, drop, drop.
Drip, drip, drop, drop.
Drip, drip, drop.
Drip, drip, drop.
Rain on my umbrella.
Rain on my umbrella.
Never stops.
Never stops.
All right, I've got another story for us. This is a fun one called Soaked. Does anybody have an umbrella that they like to take out in the rain? Look at this one. It has bumblebees on it. So this is Soaked, written by Abby Cushman. Look at all this rain. Everything is dreary. Everything is drenched. No one is happy. Not that badger. Not that bunny. Not that hula hoopin' moose. And especially not me. You think that bear is a little bit grumpy? Because the rain ruins everything. Ice cream cones, sand castles, cashmere sweaters, all the things that bears love. What's that you say? Why don't we just go inside my cave until the rain stops? An idea. Oh yes, great idea. Doesn't feel crowded in here at all. What is that moose doing? Whoosh. And sure, I'd love to use my umbrella, the blue one with the bumblebees on it, but everyone looked and no one can find it. Badger said she found her blue umbrella, but not mine. Blah. I guess I'll just go sit on my log and wallow. What do you think wallow means? Blah. Uh-oh. Where'd the hula hoop go? Wait a minute. We can't have a hula hoopin' moose without a hula hoop, can we? Great, we got it. Now I can return to my wallowing on my whoosh. Me? Try the hula hoop? What do you think? Should the bear try the hula hoop? Do you think he'll like it? Seriously? Okay, fine. But I won't have any fun. There, I did it. Totally unfun. Just like I thought. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a moment to myself. What do you think? Does that bear like the hula hoop? Look at all the splishing and splashing that's happening. Look at all this rain. Everyone is splashing. Everyone is soaked. And it's so splishy and splashy, silly and soggy. It's so... Oh! Did the rain stop? Wah! Too sunny. The end. All right, so let's sing another rain song. I'm going to use my rhythm sticks to make the sound of the rain. And it goes like this. It is raining.
It is raining
On my head.
on my head.
Pitter patter raindrops.
Pitter patter raindrops.
I'm all wet.
I'm all wet.
All right, let's try it one more time. We'll go a little bit faster. It is raining.
It is raining
On my head.
on my head.
Pitter patter raindrops.
Pitter patter raindrops.
I'm all wet.
I'm all wet.
All right. And here's another one that's to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. It goes like this. Rain, rain, falling down, falling on the ground. Pitter patter, what a lovely sound. Rain, rain, falling down, falling on the ground. Pitter patter, what a lovely sound. All right, so we've got one more story, and Ellie's gonna help me out. She's gonna be popping in here a little bit, but I'm gonna get my bear puppet in the next book, and we'll start. All right, this is called Spring is Here by Hillenbrand. Mole woke up. Is it spring? He wondered. He opened the window to smell the air. He dressed and tiptoed past Bear's bedroom. Stepped outside. He felt the mud under his feet.
Squish, squish, squish.
Spring is here, cried Mole. I must tell Bear. Mole rapped on Bear's window. Replied Bear. Mole dashed inside and knocked on Bear's door. Did Bear wake up? Mole tickled Bear's nose.
Swish, swish, swish.
Replied Bear. That didn't wake him up. Mole played his horn for Bear. That didn't even wake up Bear, did it? Oh dear, sighed Mole. Spring is here and Bear must get up. Mole thought, and then he scampered outside. He gathered, he milked, he churned, he poured, he mixed, he baked. Finally, he shuffled into Bear's room. Wake up, Bear, mumbled Mole. Spring is here. Yum, replied Bear. And then he looked at Mole. Wake up, Mole, said Bear. Spring is here. Oh, little Mole's asleep. Snore, replied Mole. All right, well, we would like to show you the things that we are going to have in our spring Takeout Storytime kit for the month of April. And we are excited to have those out on April 5th. They'll be at all of our library branches while supplies last. And there are some fun activities in there just to get you outside and enjoying spring. So the first thing we have is some tissue paper, and you will get some tissue paper circles and some paper. And then you'll also get a little tiny spray bottle. So you can experiment with what happens when you put your tissue paper on your paper and spray it with water. See what happens. Do you think it's going to leave a print? Or do you think that paper is just going to stick to, the tissue paper is going to stick to your paper? See what you find out. And then the second activity that we have in there for you to make is a bird kite. So you're going to be using a piece of paper with the sides folded down for the wings. You can use tape or a stapler or some stickers to get that to stay down. You can add some feathers for your bird's tail, a little eye sticker, and a beak. And then of course you need a string so that you can see if your bird kite will fly. All right. Have fun this spring.